Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Altcoin Buzz Trading, and our market is in a correction. So, to me, I follow the investor's business daily model of market in correction or market in uptrend. There's only two states to the market, in my opinion. I'm sticking to it. It makes things simple. I don't have to overthink things. And we've been bearish the past while on this channel because the market's bearish. And according to my system that I developed for crypto, and I'll show it to you here in a second, I've got this follow 3-day system. Our market is in a correction. Now, this system follows IBD style, but I've adopted it to cryptocurrency, okay? And it takes what are called distribution days, days of more selling pressure than buying pressure. And if they're grouped into a short time frame, it puts the market into a correction. A correction implies that upside momentum has basically been overridden and we're likely to move lower in the near future, okay? That's what a correction means. And that's what's been happening. That's why I've been that's what we've been seeing in the marketplace. We haven't had any long trades on here lately because the market looks like it's rolling over. I'm not going to talk about trades to get clicks and have you guys lose money. Forget the clicks. I don't care. I want to save you guys the money. Okay. So market's been garbage. And now we're in a correction. So what does that mean? What that means is that long trades are gone. You don't want to do any long trades right now, and you want to wait till market goes back into an uptrend. And for the market to go back into an uptrend, you have to have, it's kind of a long story here, but you have to find a low in the market. And then after day 4 of the low in the market, you're looking for a day of 5% up with volume increased over the prior day. That's it. So we can go back into an uptrend in 4 to 5 days. It's possible. Okay. And no one knows when that's going to happen. And here's the thing about the market. If you try to forecast it, you're due to get hurt. You just have to be an observer and watch and listen. And then there's rules to play this game effectively, okay? And that's one of the rules is when you're in a market in correction, you don't really do much. You just kind of sit and wait. If you want to think about shorting, that's something that's an option to you. Right now, really across the board, though, because this is our first day in a correction, there's not much on the table. Most better shorts take a while to set up, just like a good stock base does to the long side. It's the same to the short side. It'll take a while to set up. And those are your best shorts, okay? Now, you can try to jump in and think something's going to go lower, but those are all just opinions. The best things, you have to see it in the chart, and that takes time, okay? I know it's not fun. I know you want to do it today, but don't. You're just going to get hurt, for crying out loud. Quit losing your money. If you do what you've always done, you'll get what you've always gotten, okay? So if you rush into trades and you lose, you're going to rush into this trade and you're going to lose too. That's just the way that it works. It's human psychology. It's nothing bad about you. It's something bad about our brains not designed to work in the world that we've chosen to live in and build. Humanity's built for itself. Look around. You're not supposed to live in square boxes. I'm in basically a square box right now, to be quite honest with you. I don't think we grew up in square boxes, at least evolved in square boxes. But the fact of the matter is we're here. And we have to live by the rules of the world around us. So don't buy anything due to the market being in correction. You're like, Randy, you're stupid. Well, we'll see you in a couple of days. All right, I'm going to go through these the leading coins that we've been following this whole thing, kind of show you those ones a little bit. So Bitcoin's undercut recent support at 40,000. Ethereum undercut horizontal support at 2431, and my diagonal support here as well. Pretty abruptly here today. Ignore the follow 3-day system indicators here. It only works on BTC actually. It's BTC indicator. Solana's given up horizontal support right there. Elevated volume yesterday. That's not a good sign. Chainlink has been choppy for some time now. This one's still in the range, which is good. It shows you how strong Chainlink is. We'll see if we're able to hold the support at 12,867. And then Injective, which has kind of been a good leader this time, giving up this purple 50-day moving average for the first time this rally. And also getting to undercutting recent support. We only had this wick down here at the 2901 available. Other than that, we've pretty much given everything up on Injective. So most of the big participants, these are the leaders in this market from what I've seen. You could probably include a couple of others, but these are the big ones, and you can see they have definitely taken some damage. So right now, not a great time to be placing longs. We will be keeping, I'll let you guys know about shorting. If I see some good short setups, I will shout them out. But like I said, they have to be setups. I'm not going to shout out trades just for no reason. Okay. And if you guys, infer something based on what I'm saying. Unless I say this is a trade, it's not. I could say this could possibly happen. And if you take that trade, it's what's called a boredom trade, because you want to do something. You want to be active. You're busy, busy, busy. We all get that way, but you have to ignore that. You have to ignore that and wait for whatever it is that you do well. Do that thing a lot, but only when it's available. Okay? When it's not available, don't go practicing other crap. That's when you get hurt. I don't want you guys to get hurt. So as of this time, really not much to do. Market's in a correction. I'm sorry. It is what it is. Don't blame me. It's not my fault. Blame the next guy who told you it was going to go to 80,000 this cycle guaranteed. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you next time on Altcoin Buzz Trading.